drones. So drones made our list last year, and it's going to stay on our list this year. Now, the gating item for drones right now is regulation. And so there's two categories that we'll kind of throw the drones into. There's the hobby or the consumer side, and then there's the commercial side. So in some markets, the regulations have moved along quite quickly, and there's pretty clear-cut rules and regs for how you can use commercial drones and actually how you can use consumer drones. We do think this is going to continue to be hot, and I think that you're going to see drones move more and more into the law enforcement, into the industrial sectors and things like that. And I think we've seen a shift this year where the notion of drones have moved from something that's potentially scary or invasive as to something that is actually, really useful. But we are seeing in industrial applications, pipeline monitoring, filming, those types of things. There are special permits available. And the FAA is moving into the area as quickly as possible. Other jurisdictions, other countries around the world have already opened up their regulation. They probably have a few less complexities to worry about. But on the consumer side, however, that's where a lot of the innovation is coming from. And we're going to continue to see that market, quite frankly, explode. And that market is actually moving into drones more as not necessarily a flying device. It could be a stationary device, it could be a ground-based device, but it's something that's almost along the personal assistant type device. The other thing that's really coming along in that space is autonomous operation. So being able to have drones that operate autonomously, whether that's based on GPS or whether it's based on visual recognition or those types of things, but the ability to have a drone operate without you and I actually having to control it with a remote control. That's going to be a very big trend that you're going to continue to see. And at that point, drones move from a scary, invasive type of device that somebody's controlling more to a personal assistant type device. So I'm going to have a drone with me when I'm doing this work so it can check my quality control, or it can assure that I'm safe, or it can send alerts if there's other things that are happening around me. We're going to continue to see that trend move forward.